Hey everyone, Michael here. Should you guys start selling off your altcoins and your Bitcoin? We're going to talk about that today and just go over a brief technical analysis here. Okay, so we've seen Bitcoin break out from here for a while. It's been having a great move, fantastic move. But last night, if we head over to the 4-hour chart, we can see it broke down out of this uptrend right here. I sold a lot of my altcoins right here, and I was more than happy to do it because right now a lot of stuff is heading down. And we're heading down towards this pink line right here, which is another trend line that we've been following all the way since July 20th, right? So right now, it's okay to hold. I'm looking to buy back into my position. I'm just looking to accumulate more coins at this time, right? But I will tell you this, guys. If it does fall down below this pink coin, that's when you guys should consider selling off some of the coins you've accumulated over here and then buying back down lower if it comes down below here. Because if it falls down below this pink line, it's going to be pretty drastic. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just let you follow and copy my technical analysis. That way you guys can have an alert set up for yourself that you can have on your own phone, which means you guys won't have to come and check the chart so often. You guys can wait for that ding to happen, and then that'll tell you guys, hey, be careful. And if the ding never happens, that's good. That means Bitcoin's on the rise and it still has another shot to break out here, right? Because right now we're expecting it to bounce off of the pink line and then have another attempt to break out over the next few days. But if for whatever reason it doesn't do that and it falls down, then it's time to be like, whoa, we're breaking down out of a huge uptrend, and this uptrend started on the day of the conference. Now I should be a little bit concerned. I want to make sure I can lock in the profits I've accumulated all the way, on this rise, and I don't want to be left holding a bag at the end of the day off of these positions, right? So what you're going to do first, you don't have to do this white line anymore since we've already broken down, we've already broken down before it. You don't need this orange line because we've already broken up out of that one. The line you need to make is, if you're on the 4-hour chart, it's a little bit easier to put on the 4-hour chart. You find the spot all the way back from July 20th. You're going to start your trend line right there. If you guys don't know how to find a trend line, it's right here on TradingView, right? Trend line right there, or you can just click on Alt plus T. Then you're going to drag it from there all the way towards the bottom of this trend line right here, the bottom of this wick right here from August 5th, and you're going to extend it as far as you can until it hits the resistance from this blue line right up here, right? And if it can break through that, awesome. So, and then what you're going to do afterwards, if you guys don't have the TradingView app, I highly suggest you guys get it. It's free, it's easy, and it helps you guys get alerts to your phone when you're away from your computer, which some of you guys mostly are, right? All right. Then after you draw this line, you can set the color to be any color you want to. I have it 4 pixels just so it's a little extra thick. But you can set it to pink, you can set it to white, you can set it to whatever color you guys want to, okay? I keep it as pink because most of you guys just know it right now as the pink color line. Now, what you're going to do after you get this line here, you're going to right click it and it's going to say Add Alert on Trend Line. You're going to tap on that and you're going to see Bitcoin USD. That's the right one because all the altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin, obviously. You're going to do crossing. You can do crossing up, down, whatever. You can do crossing down below. It's just a little bit more technical, but it works. You want to do the trend line, right? Crossing below the trend line. You want to do it only once, or once per bar, or once per bar close, right? You can do whatever you want to do, or once per minute. That way it's kind of like, hey, it's giving you a warning. Hey, something big is happening, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit for expiration date. I'm going to have it open-ended just in case, I'm away for whatever reason. It's not going to last that much longer, right? Because this is a 4-hour chart. There is only a limited amount of time before it would naturally cross below this line if it does not go up, right? Then you can do show a pop-up if you're on the app or if you're on the website. But if you have the app, you can just do, hey, notify on app. It'll send you a little alert and you'll be good to go, right? Play a sound. You can decide what the sound is going to be. I do an alarm clock normally. I do it once. And then I can have the alert name. Bitcoin crosses below trend line, okay? And then you can do a message, 4-hour crossing down trend line, and sell now alert, right? And then I can hit create, and now I have an alert on that trend line ready to go, right? And you can see that it's now highlighted on this little platform right here on the top hand corner. So if you guys wanted to do that, it'll save you guys some time. If you guys are asleep later on tonight, if it does fall below that line, you can easily wake up, sell your positions, then wake up in the morning and see everything else is tanked, and you've saved yourself a lot of money, right? And just as a heads up, that doesn't mean, if we fall below this line, that doesn't mean it's going to be a complete disaster, but it does mean you could possibly get more coins out of it by buying, using that money that you took from your profits and using that to buy more coins. So instead of having 10,000 coins of Dogecoin, you can then buy back 12,000 coins. That way, by the time it hits $1 or whenever whatever the high for Dogecoin is going to be, you'll be looking at much more profit just by what I'm doing right now. I sold right here from last night, right? I got woken up, I sold. I wake up today. Dogecoin's down about 1%, Bitcoin's down 3%, Matic is down 4%, Ethereum is down 4%, XRP's down 5%, and so forth, right? And because of that, I have been able to save a whole bunch of money, and I'm looking to buy back to some of my positions right now. That way, I can, if it does go back up, I'll be able to get more coins and even more profits, which will help me in the long run, right? But that's it, everybody. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Simple solutions here. If you guys like the channel, please make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks, everybody.